Assalamu alaikum. Look at this. It's a Bangladesh documentary. And look, this is a Luxembourg documentary. Travel documentary. These, all of them. Your Faceless AI video clip was primarily made using our free stock-to-video tool. Using this module, which has many stock video platforms, I enabled it and then did this. How do we make these videos and channels? Guidelines for creating these channels prompted today's video. I'll show you more channels. If I make travel documentaries in English, you can choose other language. So when I search this, you'll see that huge travel documentary channels are coming. When you open each channel, a little research will reveal how channels are maintained and what patterns they follow. So here I have some notes. The first is the subtopic pattern. You might be looking for travel documentaries, but within that, you need a subtopic. Determine the actual title pattern you will use. What pattern will you make videos? For example, if you watch this channel. See this channel's first title, Wonders of Pennsylvania. Wonders of Florida, Wonders of Washington. What is he doing? He titled his work on various countries' states, and look at his title patterns. You are all the same, and he works primarily not on the country. He's working on a specific state. He made an hour-long video of Florida State. Washington State made a video, Norway made one, Venezuela made it, Texas made it. What has he done like her? Made videos for each state using images. They made it by mixing images, videos, and everything. I haven't seen the video, maybe they only gave you stock footage. He matched stocks to his script, created a voice, then added and rendered the stocks. And he didn't even add subtitles. If I look at another channel here, you'll see this one too. This one might be done by country. Not country, this one also has states. For example, he gave Washington, then real life of Iran. He gave Iran 9 days ago. He gave Ireland. He mostly gave countries, I think, not states. Because you have to do states. Countries are maybe almost 200 or less than 200. So in that case, if you do it by country, you'll have to make less than 200 videos. So you'll eventually have to do it by state. You have to do it with the big states, different countries, and look at his pattern. His thumbnail pattern is the same. Look, this one's then his title pattern is the same. This one's title. If I look at another one, this live channel, its thumbnail pattern is also the same. And how did he do it? He gave time. Like 7 days in Vietnam, 7 days through in Japan, 4 days Taipei, then 3 days. He gave it with time like this, and his videos are 10 to 15 minutes, not more than 20 minutes, and some are 40 to 50 minutes. Some are even 8 minutes. So his thumbnail pattern is the same. Title pattern is the same. Let's look at another channel. Look at this one too. Its thumbnail pattern is the same, its title patterns are the same. Look, what's his title pattern? Tanzania, Albania travel documentary, then Montenegro travel documentary, Sweden travel documentary. His titles have, that is, what I'm trying to say is, first you have to choose a subtopic, whether you'll do it in this pattern or that pattern, or you'll have travel documentaries your way, but you'll set one pattern. Maybe no one else is doing that pattern on the internet. You came up with a unique idea and found a pattern. You made the thumbnails in that same pattern. Then you gave the title in that pattern. You kept the videos, maybe, if they're 20 minutes. If they're 10 to 15 minutes, you kept them within 10 to 15 minutes. This way, you'll keep making all your videos following a pattern. Then you'll keep the duration the same. For the voice, you'll use an 11 lab voice. When you use a voice with our faceless clips, remember always use that same voice for that channel. Similarly, keep the thumbnail pattern the same. So now I'll actually show you how to make these types of. It's simple. Just come to our tools to the Writer Agent Pro. Once you're there, you'll specify how many minutes long. So I'll say I want a 10-minute video here. So English. You can do it in another language if you research and see that there are channels in other languages getting views. You can also make travel documentaries in other languages. For a custom topic, let's say I'll consider this pattern, a Tanzania travel documentary. Okay, I'll give this topic. Then I'll tell it to write. So let's see how Writer Agent Pro writes my travel documentary script. After it writes the script, we'll use that script to create the video with our free stock-to-video module. Here's my Tanzania travel documentary, and it has written this documentary as a travel documentary with everything included. You can read it and verify it if you have any doubts. And from here, it also tells you how to share on YouTube, what name to give it, and what to put in the YouTube. How to generate YouTube thumbnails, everything is here. So first, I'll go to Free Stock to Video and give it my script. Then I'll give it the name Tanzania Travel Documentary here. So I shared everything here, selected 2.5 for the audio. I'm using the Oxy app here. And you can add background music or video overlay if you want. Since it's stock footage, video overlay isn't real. You can add background music as you like. And here, you can add the logo if you want. So for example, this is premium. Actually, we haven't. Made it available yet. When we do, you'll enable the one that's free. Once enabled, you'll add pixels in parallel according to your needs based on. After adding, we have this video topic here, which is a very important matter. Because if you give the wrong video topic here, all your stock footage will be incorrect. That means this video topic, your specific video or script topic, is what you need to provide. For example, my main topic is a Tanzania travel document. So based on that, I wrote Tanzania travel documentary. If you were writing a Bangladesh documentary, if you want to make a food documentary, you would write Bangladesh food documentary. Meaning you'll specifically put your video's topic or title here. If you don't put anything here, or if you don't, you won't be able. But if you put something random, like I put 8, that means all your videos will be random. So this is very important. What happens when you provide this is we send it to the. After sending it to the AI, your script will then be sent to the AI. After sending, the AI will then analyze and figure out which keywords matching this topic should be used to add stock footage that aligns with your script. The AI will analyze and find that. So you can understand that giving wrong information here means the AI will work incorrectly and search with wrong keywords, bringing up incorrect. So keep that in mind. This is very important. You should provide the specific topic's keywords or title here according to the topic. So for the next step, you should always use the same voice you've chosen. Let me see which one is good for a documentary. Suppose if you always use Sam's voice or Will's voice, you should always use that one. So I clicked Next, and here I'll put a slightly larger, I'll put 5. I gave this as a. I clicked Submit. So clicking Submit will complete it. This actually depends on your PC's configuration. If your PC has a high configuration and good RAM, and if the RAM is low, it will be a bit slower. For example, I had already made one. Look, its topic was actually living in Japan. Since it's about Japan, The topic, you'll see everything about Japanese culture, Japanese footage, and Japanese markets will be brought in. So this is... Look, it has started rendering. 116 scenes are rendering. After these 116 scenes render, the final... However, I should mention, the time it takes depends on your PC configuration, specifically how much RAM you have. So if you have less RAM, if your CPU core is low and your PC configuration is a bit low, it will take a bit more time. But don't worry, while it's rendering, you can continue with other tasks. You can keep doing other work while this process continues. After a while, you'll see that your work is finished. Since I have more RAM and CPU cores, it seems to be happening very quickly. Now the audio will be added and then it will be finally done. So this is complete now. It took a total of 22 minutes. If we click watch, I can see it. First, a text was added with an overlay. That text is our main topic. So basically, the culture of Tanzania, the story, the stock footage, all of that was brought in. And according to this entire script, relevant things were brought in, entire video was rendered. So you can now, if you want, directly upload this video. You actually don't need anything to upload. You just go to Tools here, and the script that was generated, you can click on View, and there's also a YouTube thumbnail generator here. If you generate a thumbnail to your liking, then you'll see that you'll have a very nice thumbnail generated. If you can't generate a thumbnail, you can copy your YouTube title and description directly from here. You can write your title to match your title pattern, then copy the description and add it nicely. Look, a nice thumbnail has been generated for you. So, East Africa Wild... This script was mainly written on the topic of a wildlife documentary about Tanzania in the city of Africa. It's a wildlife documentary about the safari. So, considering that, this thumbnail is absolutely perfect. You can directly download the thumbnail, use it, copy the YouTube meta titles, and publish the video. Thank you. This is how you can generate travel blogging videos and travel documentaries. Thank you.